My name is Brian Choate, Choate Air Conditioning, Heating, and Plumbing. We want to thank you for letting our family serve your family in this uncertain time. Choate Air Conditioning, Heating, and Plumbing is an essential business, and we're here to take care of any of your HVAC, plumbing, or indoor quality needs. Choate's taking this coronavirus matter very seriously, and we're here to let you know that we are trying to take care of our customers and our employees to keep everyone safe. We want to respect you and your home, and some of the things we're doing is putting on a mask, shoe covers, gloves, and also sanitizing our devices. Some of the extra steps we're doing, a lot of people are getting their filters at our showrooms. That's temporarily closed for now, so we are delivering filters to your doorstep. Choate wants you to know that we care and we want to serve you. We want to thank you for letting our family serve your family.